Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Majid Haider and you are watching Tech World YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna tell you that how you can set fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. So first of all you have to do is open your WhatsApp app and then click on three dots, then settings, and then account, and privacy. Now scroll down, you can see fingerprint lock option, click on it. Now it is disabled, you have to enable it, and now it is asking us to touch the fingerprint sensor. I'm going to touch it, and now you are ready. It is asking to automatically lock. You have to select first option to get immediately result. Now we are going to see how it is working. Now I'm going to touch it. Now it is done. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel for further videos.